stop making these mistakes when packing for Italy in winter. And before you say, who the heck are you? Hi, my name is Anastasia and I've been a personal stylist in Rome, Italy for the past 8 years. I've styled hundreds of clients. What is this flying? I've styled hundreds of clients from all over the world for their trips to Italy. And these are some of the most common mistakes that I see people making. And the first thing is wearing synthetic materials. Guys, do not do this to your body. It does not deserve to be treated like this. Just think about it. You will be spending most of your time outside in the winter, so it's going to be cold. Plus, the amount of walking you will be doing in Italy, it's going to be insane. I promise you've never done this much walking before, so you will be sweating. So do yourself a favor and pack natural fabrics only. And I know they do cost more, but they will last you so much longer, and at the end of the day you will be so happy that you did. Avoiding packing white in the winter. Why? What did white color do to us? Guys, white is perfectly acceptable in the winter time in Italy, and it looks so chic and so posh. Pack it. Dressing for the weather and not the season. You will never see Italians wearing flip-flops in December or shorts in the beginning of March. It's just not going to happen. So regardless of how you dress at home, make sure that you always dress for the season in Italy. Another huge mistake that I see people making is buying new shoes for Italy and right away packing them in your bag. Guys, please make sure you break those shoes in, wear them as much as you can before the trip. Otherwise, if you wear them the first time in Italy, or even second or third, your feet will be destroyed. And if you also want to destroy your shoes on those cobblestones, then make sure to pack a pair of stilettos, or better yet, please leave them at home and opt for shoes with a black heel instead. And please remember, Italians take pride in the way they present themselves to the world. A well-chosen outfit will always boost your confidence, so practice your bella figura here in Italy, and buon viaggio fabulous!